World Economic Forum, in its latest report, stresses the fact that more than 50% of the IT professionals would need upskilling by 2022. With rapidly changing technology canvas, this is the need of the hour. Are you thinking of upskilling or learning a new skill which is trending in the market? Are you an organization struggling with tons of data and looking for a way to get valuable insights? Well, then, you are in the right place. And today, we are going to learn more about Tableau, which is the most powerful and fastest growing BI and visualization tool in the industry. It is an amazing platform for understanding and making key decisions with your data. It is a visual analytics platform helping users to analyze data, find insights, and solve problems. It is empowering millions of users and organizations to understand their data and present it in a compelling way with pretty, easy to understand graphs, dashboards, and stories. This is enabling decision makers to make the best use of their data. Whenever you learn a new skill and become an expert, how do you showcase it to the world outside? Be it your supervisor, employers, or your colleagues. How can you prove your skills? The best way is to learn the skill and get certified. This not only boosts your confidence, but also gives a recognized stamp of approval that you are an expert. Certifications also test the critical competency of timeliness, which is vital to work in the current high-paced environment. Let us talk more about Tableau certifications. Tableau has a total of 5 certifications under 2 categories: Tableau Desktop and Tableau Server. The associate exams demonstrate knowledge but not necessarily expertise. On the other hand, certified exams are designed with real-world problems, with the best practices certifying your expertise. Tableau Desktop has 3 certifications, namely Specialist, Certified Associate, and Certified Professional, given in the sequence of the level of expertise. The Specialist certifies that you understand Tableau Desktop and its core functionalities. Associate, which tests with some advanced skills, certifies that you are a Tableau Desktop expert and comprehensively understand its functionalities. Professional certifies that you can apply the visual best practices and comprehend even the advanced functionalities. In this certification, your dashboards and stories will be graded by a committee. Moving on to the server certifications, we have the Certified Associate and Certified Professional certifications. Associate certifies that you understand Tableau server functionality in a single machine environment. Professional certifies that you understand Tableau server functionality in a single machine and enterprise configuration. Only this certification exam is in person. All other exams are conducted online, which gives you the flexibility of giving the exam from the comfort of your home. Given the importance of certifications, with access to correct guidance, time investment, and practice, you can become ready for the certifications. Our data visualization certification in Tableau is a completely hands-on course with several case studies and projects. Each of the case studies have been designed to help you solve real-life problems. Each module is aligned with the skills tested in the certifications, along with important tricks, tips, and lots of practice questions with step-by-step detailed solutions. To know more, download our brochure or talk to us. You can contact us at info@techcanvas.com, or you can call us at 93 255 66 777.